Hi guys, so I have a football and there is a cone over there in the tree and I'll be throwing it into there. And this is called the long shot, tree shot. Here we go. Yes! Yes! I made it! Let's go! Yes! Let's go. Okay, I'll show you. Let's go. I made it. Oh, yes. Let's get off there. Yeah. And I made it, guys. Let's go. Football right here. Let's go. Bye. Out.